Hi guys, this video is about authenticators. So you have heard us talk about needing an authenticator, and Google Authenticator is the one we were using most of the time, and you still have the option to use that. But this video is about Authy, Authy. So your first step is to go to your Play Store or App Store. I happen to be using an iPhone at the moment, but it'll work on both. So you're going to search for Authy, as you can see in the top. And so Twilio Authy is what it looks like. So it's the red square with the little U's together, and you want to just go ahead and download that. And once you download it, just go ahead and open the app, and you have to put a phone number in. And so once you put your phone number in, it will get you into the app. So let's see, hold on one second. So after you put in your phone number and it asks you to confirm, you put in your country code and your phone number, and then it'll ask you, is that the right phone number? And you confirm that, and then you hit next and it wants your email address. Once you've entered your email address and it asks you, is that the correct email address? Then it wants to verify your account. And it's okay to put in your phone number and backup. Authy is very private as well, but it's one of the few authenticators that will back up your information in case you lose your phone, in case you have an issue, you have it backed up to Authy servers. So then you want to do that, and you can just receive a text message and verify that as well. After you've received your text message, you've put it in and it asks you, do you want to receive notifications or not? You can allow if you want or not. And then this is basically what it looks like. And so from here, if you already have Google Authenticator or you've used an Authenticator app before, should be pretty familiar. But basically, you would click the plus to add an account. And so you're either going to scan a QR code or you're going to enter it manually. And once you do that, then it will have the account here. And so when you say, for example, one of your wallets or um, just anything that needs two-factor authentication and you set it up, then you're going to come here, you'll touch whatever icon it is, get the 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds, and you'll be able to use what you need to and get that code. But it's pretty simple. You just download it, give it the information that it needs, and go from there. Now, I want to go back while we're here and go back to the Play Store, because while we're here, I'm going to also tell you about Google Authenticator, which you should know already. But basically, Google Authenticator is another one that's very popular. You may or may not have it. I've done videos about it before. And with this one, you basically just download the Google Authenticator. And when you click Get Started, you literally just, okay, well, do you want to scan a QR code or enter a setup key? And if you have, say you got a new phone and you have a backup key for Google Authenticator for something else and you want to import those accounts, and you can do that. It's not necessarily saving them anywhere. I don't think Google Authenticator has a backup section like Authy does, which is why Authy wants a phone number and wants an email address to kind of secure your information. Google is basically just like, go ahead and enter a QR code, go ahead and enter a setup key. If you don't keep the information for them, and you lose your phone or you lose the app, then you've lost those things and there's not a way to restore them. So that's the main difference between Google Authenticator and Authy. If you do back up your information on Authy and you lose your phone, or you download the app or it erases, or you get a new phone, whatever the case may be, then you can always get your information from Authy by just restoring it from the cloud. So download both, download one, whichever you choose, but make sure you have an authenticator. You will need it for the different things in the crypto world, just as a secondary backup. So that is it, guys. I'll stop share. You have a great rest of your evening. See you soon.